How to organize Spotify playlist. To get started, first of all, open up the Spotify application on your phone. You will then be taken to the Explore page on Spotify. On this page, go to the bottom panel and tap on Your Library. In your library, tap on Playlists as shown. After that, scroll down and select a playlist of your choice. Here, go to the top right corner and tap on Sort beside the search bar. Now, you can choose how you want to sort the playlist. For example, I'm changing it to Title. As you can see, the songs in the playlist have now been sorted according to their titles. You can try doing this for the other playlists as well, and selecting different sorting options to sort the songs in your playlists. Following these steps, you can easily organize Spotify playlists according to your choice.